Here is how you can remove the clock icon from status bar on iPhone. Let me explain that. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Well, you would probably expect it to be the indicator that you have active alarms set up. So if I go to my control center, you can see there is the clock icon, next to the battery and all of the things. And you can see that when I go to the clock application and find the alarm section, I don't really have any alarms active, right? Because if you do, then obviously the icon is going to appear in the status bar, but I don't even have any alarms active currently. And the reason why it's still happening, why it's still showing in my status bar, is because I have the sleep schedule in place. So when I leave the clock app and find the health application, I can find the sleep section. And part of the sleep, you can manage your sleep score if you wear the Apple Watch and so on. But part of the sleeping data, you have the ability to set up your schedule. And this gives you the ability to change it and set up the alarm for it as well. So if you don't want the alarm clock to be there, just turn off the alarm for this sleep schedule as well, and it's going to make it disappear from the status bar. So I wanted to explain that because some people might be confused about which alarm is causing this, but yeah, that is generally how it works. If you don't have any active alarms, then you don't have any clock icon in the status bar. So that's how it works. I hope I was able to help you out and explain it properly. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.